Hello guys, welcome back to Guide with Samuel, and in this quick tutorial I'll show you 2 easy ways to download files from Google Drive on your Windows PC. First, open drive.google.com in your browser and sign into your account. Next, find the file you want to download and right-click it, then choose Download. The file will save to your browser downloads folder. Then, if you need multiple files, select several items, right-click and choose Download to get a zip file you can extract in Windows Explorer. Alternatively, if you use Google Drive for desktop, open File Explorer, go to your Google Drive folder and copy or move the file from there to any local folder. It's already synced to your PC. Finally, open your download folder or the location you choose to confirm the file is saved and ready to use. And that's it guys, fast and easy ways to get files from your drive onto your PC. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.